Okay, so this is how it looks when we lay down the first part of membrane. And also when you're rolling it out, make sure you've got somebody on the other end to help you. It can be quite windy and that will just throw the piece of membrane side to side. Also, to temporarily hold the membrane down, we put down stones on the edges. This just basically ensured that we could move the membrane after if we made a mistake. Please also remember to leave an overlap on each piece of the membrane. This just ensures if there's any movement that it will still have good coverage on the floor. So this is where we are so far. So we put down stones in all the membrane where we want it to not move, and we're just going to work out a few measurements and where we're going to put down some pins. And this is just a quick close-up to where we've got up to so far as well. So soon after taking this video, we simply put the pins down, just a few of them, just to hold it secure. Okay, so in case you're wondering what pins we use for the membrane, it's these. It's about 15 centimeters in length. So what you do, you put it on the membrane like that, and then you hammer it in on top. If you're struggling to get it in because of a stone, then just literally move it left or right and it should sink in. If it doesn't, just select another spot and just drive it into the ground that way. In terms of what membrane to use, we just use a geotextiles type of membrane, which is like, it's got a plastic in it as well, so it won't weather too much, and it's really, really strong. Straight after this, we put the type 1 stone, just a crushed stone, just to create a base, a sub base, sorry, for the actual garden patio. So just to give you a quick close-up visual of what this looks like, here's a little video clip to show you just that. If you are wondering how to create your own sub-base, this could be for a driveway, this could be for also a patio, we have a video just for that, and if you click on the screen right about now. So that's the first part of the garden. Just finished the whacker for the final whacking before the granite dust gets put on. And that's my line. Pretty much leveled throughout the whole way, but then I want to get granite dust to even it out. So for the final leveling layer, you can use sand, but sometimes that tends to wash out with rain. So in this case I've used something called grano dust, which is also known as granite dust, and it's heavier and it doesn't wash out with rain as easy. It's similarly priced to sand as well, and easier to work with. So that's pretty much level with this pathway, so we can slab on the whole thing. So that's grano dust.